Hello, my name is Sherry Galvanized, and I'm a certified hypnotherapist. I'm coming to you from Galvanized Hypnosis, and I'm making this session especially for those of you who have sat with me in a class or at a live reading, and I wrote a hypnotic suggestion for you. This session is a generalized session where I'm going to guide you through some relaxation, and then I'm going to pause and tell you the spot where you can use your own personalized hypnotic suggestion that I provided for you. So you might want to have that handy before you start this session. And if you have never had a hypnotic suggestion session with me, I do provide those. And you can find out more information about that in the description. So for now, I invite you to get into a comfortable position, either sitting down or lying down. Although this is a video and you may want to watch it, really, it's perfectly fine at any point for you to close your eyes and just listen to it. Make sure that whether you're listening or watching, that you are in a space and doing an activity or not doing an activity where you're going to need to be concentrated, because during this time you do not want to be concentrated or focused on any task except for this recording. To begin, you can go ahead, if you haven't already closed your eyes, you can go ahead and move your eyes, divert your eyes to the spot right off to the side to look at that light. And you'll find that as you look at that light longer and longer, that you will naturally become a little more tired. Your eyes will become tired. They might burn a little bit, or you might find that your eyelids get heavy and they want to close. So at any time that you want to close your eyes, you can go ahead and close your eyes. And when you do, just drift into a deeper and deeper state of relaxation. Drifting into that deeper and deeper state of relaxation, diverting your attention away from the cares, concerns, and worries of the things that surround you, and instead just focusing either on that spot or on the sound of my voice, or both. If you've already closed your eyes, you can begin to concentrate on the sound of a brook, the sound of water running. And you can imagine yourself in a very natural environment, outdoors. You can imagine yourself in an environment that's relaxing, trees nearby, birds, the sound of running water. And just let that sound of running water relax you deeper and deeper. You'll begin to feel as if you are one with that sensation of running water, and that running water is running through you, cleansing away and clearing away any tension in your body, starting from the top of your head, moving down your body. Moving down your body all the way down to the tips of your toes. Relaxation, calmness. Feeling your focus now on the sound of my voice, on the sound of the running water. Closing out any distractions, letting go of any tension, concentrating instead on deeper and deeper relaxation. Now, to help you in this relaxation, you can also include your breath. Each time you inhale, you breathe in relaxation, and each time you exhale, you let go of tension. That's right, just feeling the muscles of your body relaxing. Relaxing any muscles in your forehead. Relaxing any muscles in your scalp. Relaxing any muscles in your face, your cheeks, your jaw, your neck. Relaxed. Relaxing any muscles in your shoulders. Yes, feeling your shoulders. Drooping, feeling your shoulders. Letting go of tension. Letting go of tension in between your shoulder blades. Letting go of tension in your upper back. Letting go. Letting go of tension in your arms. Drifting deeper and deeper. Letting go of tension all the way through your arms, from your shoulders and down into your fingertips. Feeling the tension leave your body through your fingertips. That's right. Just let it go. Relaxing under a tree. Relaxing in the outdoors. Relaxing under the clear blue sky, noticing the beautiful surroundings, as you also let go of tension in your chest. That's right, letting go of tension in your chest, letting go of any tension in your torso, all of your organs and glands. Letting go of tension, letting go of inflammation, letting go of fear. Just letting go. And the next time you exhale, just let go of that tension. Feel the relaxation moving into your lower back now, letting go of any gripping, letting go of any pain, letting go of any tension. Letting go. Letting go in your hips, that's right, melting into the surface that supports you, whether it's a chair or a bed. Melting, melting. You can let go of the tension now. And letting go of tension in your legs as well. That's right, in your legs, in your knees, all the way down to your calves, shins, ankles, and feet. Yes, and even your toes. The tops of your feet, the bottom of your feet, your toes, relaxed. And you'll find that it's in this deeply relaxed state, your mind is more open, because all of the cares, concerns, worries, anxieties have melted away, drifted down the stream, far, far away, like a leaf. Far, far away, smaller and smaller now. Letting go of limitations, letting go of gripping, letting go of holding on. Opening your mind, because soon, yes, very soon, in just a couple of moments, you will be saying that suggestion to yourself. You'll be saying that suggestion to yourself. You may have already memorized it, or you have a sense of what it is. If you need to look, you can read it. Absorb that suggestion. Take it in. Deep within. And after you're done taking it deep in through reading with your open eyes, you can close your eyes and take it deep into your imagination, allowing it to come to life, feeling it with your 5 senses, experiencing it as if you are there. Just letting go, feeling it as if you are already there. It's already done. Letting it come to life. As you relax deeper, it's natural that you might nod off. You might actually catch yourself snoring a little bit. You may find that your muscles become so relaxed that it's as if you're melting. All of that is perfectly okay. In some cases, your imagination might drift and seemingly off of the suggestion. It's not so important that you repeat it like a robot or that you're very careful to remember everything it says. What's most important is that your imagination brings it to life. That one or more of your senses is in tune with the suggestion. You can feel it. You can see it, you can sense it, you can hear it, it comes alive for you. It's as if it's 100% true, and in your imagination you're just experiencing it, almost like a virtual reality. Now, if I have your permission, and only if I have your permission, you can listen to the next part of what I'm going to say, which is, that suggestion will be planted in your subconscious mind just like a seed. That suggestion will take on a life. That suggestion will take on a life at the pace that's right for you. That suggestion is in gestation. That suggestion that you and I created together and that you totally agree with is now in gestation, taking on a life of its own, growing. Sometimes you will not be able to see it at all. Other times you'll get reminders of it. Other times you'll think about it in your dream. Only with your permission, only if you want to. Only at the perfect pace for you. Nothing to fear. If you are listening to this recording or watching this recording during a time where you're also ready to drift off to sleep, you can just go ahead and get ready to drift off to sleep. You can ignore everything I'm about ready to say, and you may find that you won't even remember the end of this recording. However, if for some reason you're listening to this in the daytime, or you're listening to this before you need to go and do something else, now is a time when you can inhale and take in some rejuvenating breaths that will allow your body to come back to life. And your mind will be able to focus on whatever it needs to focus on, because this idea is in gestation in your imagination, doing its work. You don't have to worry about it or think about it. You can just feel that rejuvenated body. You can feel the energy returning to your body. You can take in another rejuvenating breath, and when you're ready, you can take in a breath that's so rejuvenating that it naturally makes you open your eyes and maybe even stretch a little bit, feeling rejuvenated, restored, renewed, and ready to do the next thing while your imagination does its thing.